In this video, we will practice some sentences used on daily basis or may be taken from past papers. Click on this link to watch the videos about parts of speech, tenses, active voice, passive voice, and narrations. Let's start. He must be out there. He must be out there. Second sentence. Brother, avoid gathering. Brother, avoid gathering. Third sentence. He abreacted over me. He abreacted over me. Fourth sentence. Sneezing since morning. Sneezing since morning. Fifth sentence is may I bring water for you? May I bring water for you? Sixth sentence is put the mobile phone on charging. Put the mobile phone on charging. Seventh sentence is I might miss my salah. I might miss my salah.